Alright, you bastards, this is Some-Belgian-prepper, and today I'm going to talk on how to make charcloth. Charcloth, but before we start talking about how to make it yourself, if you're interested in survival courses in Belgium and to try out new survival gear, to see what suits you or not, survival tricks, hacks, all that kind of stuff, there is my website for survival courses in Belgium called survivaltrainingbelgië.be, and also to my book called Bloody Crosses. So if you're interested, take a look. So, charcloth. Charcloth is actually a sort of tinder that is made out of cotton, burned cotton actually, and it's something that is very flammable. I will show you how flammable. You just need some sparks. And if you can see, it is already starting to burn up, and because it's also slow and very hot, it is very handy to you need only a few sparks to light it up. It's slow burning in contrast to something like the plush that you get from your drying washing machines. So yeah, this is actually what they used in the old times as a lighter, so to say. So, and now I'm going to learn you how to make it yourself. As you can see, still smoldering, and it is actually very simple. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a fire. I will go you to the next step now. So first we're going to build a fire. Yeah, it's going slowly on. And the next thing you need is some cloth. That is just an old pieces from an old shirt that I use. And then you need something like a container to put it in. I use this inner side of a canteen, and there is a certain reason why I do this, because this one is made out of steel, so you need something that will not bend. Because one of the mistakes that I once made was that I used an aluminium box and it melted away with my fire. So don't do that, don't be stupid like me. To throw one more on the fire. All right. Oh yeah, button to take off. I made a little mistake, but I can fix it right here. Here we go. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Alright, so you put your cloth, cotton cloth, inside of the place that you do, and also you need some small wiggle room, like this hole where the gases from the burning can escape, because this will create some sort of biogas in the process that it's turning into charcloth. And then you just take something to close off. I just use a lid that will close off the metal box, but it's also a little hole where it can escape. And perhaps you will see it on camera. When the biogas starts to burn, it will like an old car's like start to spew fire. So that way you know that when it's starting to turn into charcloth. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put the box on top of it after throwing some more wood, because you need some good burning for this. Oh. Here we go. So now we will wait till the biogases started to turn the cotton into charcloth, and I will tell you how long it will take. Alright, the biogas starts to ignite now and then. I don't know if we will be able to see it here. As you can see, through the small hole, the gases start to burn with the flames that come around it. But that is the sign that the charcloth, that the cotton is starting to turn into charcloth. So when it stops smoking, when it starts to stop smoking and puffing and burning the gases, then we know that it will be almost ready. But this process will take about not even 10 minutes or something. So it's something that can be done with only a handful of wood and a good stove. I will talk about the solo stove in another video, because it's a really fuel saver, so to say, and very handy. So yeah, in the next video you will see the charcloth when it's done. Alright, so it's been around 9-10 minutes perhaps, and the smoke and the gases are stopping now. So now the charcloth should be ready. We're going to take the lid off. Here we go, and as you can see, it's still hot, so I must be careful. I'm going to do it more in the shadow. So now we got charcloth, and yeah, as you can see, it's still smoldering, so we need to watch out for that it will not start to burn down. So we're going to put on the lid a little bit back on, and now if it's cooled down, we should have some charcloth to be ready to make a, how to say this, a tinder box, so in case we're going to need some fire in our bug out bags. So I hope you learned something from this video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next video.